In this video, let us discuss last insertion sort method. Okay, this is the last one, insertion sort method. Once you see the image in NCERT, also same thing is there. In insertion sort also, in selection sort also, two parts will be there. One is left sorted elements, and another one is right unsorted elements. The sorted list is traversed from the backward direction. In this insertion sort, sorted list will be traversed in backward direction, but in the selection sort, unsorted list is traversed to pick the smallest one. Here sorted list will be traversed in backward direction to insert one element in between elements in sorted list. The elements will be shifted and make a space and insert the smallest element in a backward direction. See here, bottom side you can see dark thick border. Some numbers are there. 1, that is what? I. Normally here we start I from index number 1, not from 0, index number 1. Then j becomes I minus 1. That is what? 1 is minus 1 means j is 0. Okay. In second pass, I starts from 2. So j becomes 2 minus 1, that is 1. Then it goes till 0. So I is 2, j is I minus 1, that means 1 and 0. Then when j becomes 3, 3 minus 1, I becomes, I becomes 3, j becomes 3 minus 1, 2. Then same thing, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, it is 0. Similarly, in the fourth pass, I becomes 4, j comes back in backward direction, previous element, I in fourth element, j becomes previous element 3, again previous element 2, again previous element 1, again previous element 0, there is no previous element after reaching index 0. Then when I becomes 5, j becomes 4, previous element 3, previous element 2, previous element 1, previous element 0, previous element. Here one thing is there, in a loop, while loop we are doing. Suppose previous element is, we are going to compare one element, no? If previous element is not less than, then we need not exchange. Okay, if it is less than element, then we have to shift exactly. Okay, smallest value. See, for example, we can see pass 1. Now we are taking 8 is in the correct position, then we are taking first position 7. Okay, 7 will be compared backward, 7 will be compared with 8. Check whether 7 is smallest element. Yes. Then what we are going to do is take 7 in a temporary variable, then 8 will be shifted to 7th position, then temporary variable value will be placed in the previous index. Okay, now 7 came here, 8 is there. Now 7 is there in the sorted order. Okay, next comparison, second pass, we are going to take 8. Okay, 8 and 13. Now 13 compare with the 8. It is not smallest element, we need not pass. There itself we can stop. We need not compare 13 with the 7. Okay, whenever previous element is less than, we need not compare another element. So here we can save the iteration, number of times looping, time complexity. Okay, now pass 3, take 1. Is 1 is less than 13? Yes. Next, what we have to do? We have to shift 13 to the place of 1. Then check again, 1 is less than 8. Yes. Then check again, 1 is less than 7. Yes. Now what we are going to do is place 1 in a temporary variable, then make a space to insert 1, shift 13, shift 8, shift 7. Then we got one space, empty space in the beginning. Then place the 1 in the beginning. Then now sorted are 1, 7, 8, 13. Okay, now taking minus 9. Compare minus 9 with the 13. Yes, smallest. Compare minus 9 with the 8. Compare minus 9 with the 7. Yes, minus 9 with the 1. Yes, take minus 9 in a temporary variable. Shift 13, 8, 7, 1 to right. Then place minus 9 in the beginning. So fourth pass also over. Now go to fifth pass. Next comparison will be done using 4, last element. 4 will be compared with 13. Take 4 in the temporary variable. Then compare 4 with 13. Yes, smallest. 4 with 8. Yes, smallest. 4 with 7. Yes, smallest. 4 with 1. No, it is not smallest. Then stop there. Then compare minus 9. Okay, that is not smallest. Now what you have to do is you pass shift 13 right side, shift 8 right side, shift 7 right side, place 4 in between 1 and 7. There is one space after shifting. Place it 4. Then the sorted list we are going to get. This is just like arranging solitaire cards. You are having 5 cards. You can move any cards from the middle and you can place it in between any cards. So that technique is used in a insertion sort. Okay, now we can see the programming part. Here it is there, programming part. As we discussed, input elements, then display the original list, then call the insertion sort. Insertion sort will come here. Then it will take, I will execute from 1, not from 0, from 1 to n, last element. Okay, temp variable we are taking the first element, then j becomes I minus 1, previous element. Then we are going to check whether j is greater than or equal to 0. We have to do it. When j is greater than or equal to 0, we have to do the array. Okay, next temp, we stored the first element, what we are going to compare, backward direction. If this element is less than previous element, then come inside and exchange them. Okay, so we are having value in a temp, no? So exchange these values only. This is what we are not going to take the value of temp. We are going to shift here. Shift it. List of j plus 1 is equal to list of j. Shifting the values here. Then reduce j by 1. Then j becomes a previous element. Then if it is less than temp, then shift it. J becomes less, shift it. J becomes less, shift it. Then you are getting one space over here. Then place the temp value in a remaining space. Then while loop is completed here. After completing while, you shift the value. Then go to next iteration. I becomes 2. Like that you do the loop. Then it will arrange in a ascending order. Okay, thank you. Now we can execute and see if you want. Enter the elements. I am going to press now. 5 elements, minus 9, 8, 2, 5, minus 1. See now. Minus 9 is the smallest element. Then comes minus 1, 2, 5, 8. Okay, this is the sorted list using insertion sort. Thank you students. We will see in next